Over on the tube, on a recent video, user Haley Lily asked, I would be so grateful if you could help me pick out a good quality kitchen faucet. We have a Kohler that we inherited when we bought the house, and it has always swung to the right. No matter what we do or handyman we hire, it always swings to the right. After 5 years, I'm done. I can't take it anymore. My in-laws recently replaced their kitchen faucets with the Franke brand, and they feel super solid. I like the all-metal features, and the hose snaps back very happily. Our Kohler never wants to go all the way back up. I am leaning towards getting the same, but I'd love to know your thoughts. Frankly, there's just not a lot of reviews on Franke faucets I found. Is Franke a good brand? Also, I'd love to have fun and go with a goldish finish. Brizo has a beautiful Luxe Gold, but it's a pretty penny for that faucet. Any thoughts, recommendations, or ideas? Any other reputable quality and ideally with no plastic buttons or toggles brands to look at? I'm all ears, thank you. Haley Lily, that's a great question. I'm glad you asked, and we're going to get into it right now. Welcome back, Remodelites, to another episode where I dive into your questions, comments, and concerns. I'm Dave with Remodel Media, and since 2005, I've been helping people put together kitchens, baths, outdoor kitchens, and various other home renovation projects. I'm on a mission to eliminate remodel regret, and I do that by bringing you the latest tips, tricks, and products for your home remodels. So if you're new here, follow along. We'll have some fun. First, Haley Lily, I'm sorry that happened to you. For anybody who has any frustrations with Kohler products, I always recommend dialing 1-800, the number 4, and the word Kohler. And generally speaking, their tech support is very useful in my experience. I'm not surprised that there's not a lot of reviews on Franke. Quite honestly, they don't do a lot of marketing on their faucets. They're mostly well known for their sinks. However, as you say, their faucets are also very solid. Back in 2013, Franke acquired Swiss faucet manufacturer KWC, and I guarantee you haven't heard about them either. However, it's because of the KWC that we even have pull-out kitchen faucets in the United States. The first pull-out kitchen faucets in the United States were actually KWC faucets that were imported and sold by Ken Roll in 1983, who would later go on to found the House of Roll, a company that I've talked about before. House of Roll was acquired in 2018 by a company called Fortune Brands, which is also the parent company of Moen Faucets. Yeah, relationships and connections in this industry get very complicated. I say all this to tell you that the Franke faucets that are available on the market today are very reliable and are some of my favorites. If I had to offer any criticism at all, it would probably be that they don't have as many finishes as some other brands, and they don't have as many accessories in their collections. Probably my favorite, most frequently used Franke faucet is their steel pull-out collection. I've used it on a lot of projects. It's made out of solid stainless steel, so it's good indoors and out. It's just a simple, nice, heavy-duty faucet. And according to their website, it is available in a brushed gold finish. Contrasting that with Brizo, which is the designer line of Delta faucets, Brizo has more collections and more finishes and more accessories than Franke. If you want a kitchen faucet, a bar faucet, a filtration faucet, Insta-Hot, pot filler, soap dispenser, a basket strainer, an air gap, and air switch for your garbage disposal, all in the same exact matching finish, then Brizo is definitely the way to go. My favorite Brizo faucets have changed over the years as new styles have come out. It's important to note that Brizo has more selections when it comes to smart technology. If you want to hook your faucet up to Alexa or Google Home, Brizo is a good choice. But if I had to pick one, I kind of like the look of the knurled Litze series. In general, either brand you can buy with confidence. Both have awesome lifetime warranties and customer service. However, I will say, because Brizo is made by Delta, you'll have a better chance of finding parts at your local hardware store 10 or 20 years down the line when you need to do a repair. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.